The Katy Trail across Missouri is America's longest rail trail. It's almost 250 miles of sweet gravel. I'm on my third day of traveling from west to east, and today I'm going to be riding from Hermann to St. Charles. Today I'll be traveling about 65 miles with 1,800 feet of climbing. It's a very easy day. As you can see from the map, I'll be spending most of my time riding alongside the Missouri River. I do love riding alongside rivers. I left the Winchester Inn in Hermann bright and early and rode over the Missouri to rejoin the Katy Trail. As I rode over the bridge, I was passed by some cyclists who were also riding the Katy Trail. The chap in white there only has 28mm tires. He has some serious gravel skills, I'm sure. We had to ride a couple of miles to get back onto the trail. It was a bit cooler this morning, and the clouds are starting to come in, and the weather forecasts suggest there might be rain this afternoon. We'll see. That's a pretty good way to start your day, don't you think?
Good morning. The house down there. So here we are on day 3, about 18 miles from Hermann. Approaching the Treloir trailhead. I'm hoping you pronounce it something like that. There is a welcome center to the left that's open. Yeah, let's go check that out. Treloir has restrooms, benches.
If the Welcome Center is open when you get there, check it out. They have a lot of interesting things, fun facts, kind of a museum thing going on, and some snacks for the trail. The Katy Trail goes over quite a few old railway bridges, an absolute joy.
Yeah, I think I'm coming up to food now. I'm gonna jump on that if I can. mile 25. Restrooms, benches, tools. There's water in there.
Well, Marthasville didn't have anything for me. Dutzow is just 3 miles down the road. Maybe I'll find something there.
Okay, open, praying, I've got food coming up. There are so many food options, but none of them are panning out. There's nothing ever open. Here's the Dutzow trailhead. Apparently, are. This looks promising. Deli. Okay. Perfect. 30 miles. Couldn't be better. Okay. Mile 30. Dutzow Deli.
One hot pastrami and bacon sandwich later, and I'm a new man. Now, I may complain that Missourians don't know Mexican food, but damn, they know their meat. That was an amazing sandwich. I would strongly recommend the Dutzow Deli. It may well be the best food I had on the entire trail. Okay, back to the trail.
So I just ate at the Dutzow Deli at the Dutzow Trailhead, and it's probably the best food I've had in 3 days. It was really good, and the prices are very reasonable. I had just a delicious meat sandwich on a pretzel bun with fries and a drink and a free refill of $12.99. Can you do better than that? It's 11 o'clock now, temperature's 68 degrees, picking up a headwind from the east. Talking about Dutzow Deli. They are open from 7 in the morning till 2 in the afternoon, 7 days a week, and they're open till the evening on Friday. So if you're coming through Dutzow during the morning, this is 30 miles from Hermann, so perfect distance to get something to eat. Don't mess around with Marysville or any of those other places. Just head straight out to Dutzow, or Dutzow, or however you want to pronounce it. D-U-T-Z-O-W. Grab yourself something at the deli there. Well, they're predicting rain in St. Charles. I'm not seeing anything ahead. We had heavy clouds earlier this morning, but they've all moved off somewhere else. I'm probably going to regret those words. It's probably going to be stinking in St. Charles. Cold, windy, rain lashing down, making you regret what I just said. Here we're at the Augusta Trailhead. Let's see what we have here. Lovely looking buildings on the left. Wonder what's in there. Okay, we have the usual picnic tables, trash. We have tools. We have benches. Do not see water again. There's a hostel here. Hopefully they're not hostile. And we have another bike store. Hostel, probably by appointment only. The bike store is closed. They claim to have ice cream, but everything looks closed. Wow, this wind is just getting stronger and stronger. Klondike Trailhead coming up. So we have restrooms. And that's it. It's mile 43. We are approaching the Matson Trailhead. Let's see what we see. We have benches under the trees. That looks nice. We have trash. Water bottle for some reason. Restrooms. I managed to hit one pothole. Good afternoon. Trash, pump, tools, benches, restrooms, again no water. Why? No water. Alright. And now we're approaching the Green Bottom Trailhead. Got about a 20-mile-an-hour headwind coming out of the east, which of course is the general direction I'm going. Let's see what Green's Bottom has for us. Benches, trash. There may be stuff across the road in the parking lot there, I can't tell. Here's a Qdoba.
So here we are in St. Charles at mile 228 at the end of the third day, staying at a Best Western. It's a proper town with pavement and restaurants and everything.